Random guy on his phone, not moving, a little bit of movement. Going to try a little human experiment. The experiment, should it work, is to film him and just say hello to him while I'm running. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm just saying hello to random strangers for a change. Oh, that worked all right. That was quite interesting. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm trying to say good morning to 5 people, just
5 people?
completely, and
You've
capture it
nailed
on
2.
film if that's all right.
Oh, okay.
Because for a blog, because you don't just say hello to people in big cities normally. Wow.
We're generally pretty friendly here.
Are you?
Yeah.
Not
Well,
just
you're
us,
down
like
to
the
earth
people who
nature.
walk through.
Oh.
That was beautiful. Thank you. Good morning.
Morning.
That went quite well. Good morning.
Morning.
Took some time, but she did smile with a big smile after the initial concerned look. I think it's enough. Might be arrested for being a stalker at this rate. Good morning. That one got no response as the stalker probably came out. Good morning.
Look.
It got as good responses he could have really imagined, so it's enough from me.